The creative studios came about gradually. It evolved slowly over the course of years. Probably around 2014, 15 is when it got its official kickstart. We wanted to provide access to technology, emerging technology, new stuff, good stuff, things that you wouldn't necessarily think to associate with a library. So for starters, the technology is our most popular feature to begin with. The cameras, the camcorders, projectors, tripods, telescopes, ring lights, gimbals, you name it. First studio I would say is the 3D printing studio. That has 4 MakerBot 3D printers, 2 Lulzbot TAS 6 3D printers, as well as a Uprint Stratasys SE Plus 3D printer. Available for anyone to use. They just have to learn how. And if they don't know how, I'll teach them. To date, we've certified about 600 people from start to finish with 0 experience on how to use those devices, because we're not a fabrication lab. We want people to get their own hands on these machines and learn how they work. The second studio is the Mccaslin data visualization room. That room contains 2 gigantic multi-point smartboards, touchscreens, so you can go in and work on, well, data visualization, looking at things like Gapminder, maps, that sort of thing, or it's a good collaborative space for people to use. The audio studio contains both a Mac and a high-powered PC, and connected to them are an 88-key weighted MIDI keyboard, as well as a mixing board and a turntable. So people can come in and do audio recording, post-processing. They've got the full Adobe suite in there as well. The presentation and recording studio is designed to be kind of a modular space for people to do video recording. There is a drop-down green screen in the back. There's also a lectern with a smart board behind them so they can practice presentations and record themselves giving speeches or record themselves doing whatever in front of a green screen. The virtual reality suites, that consists of 3 rooms. The first one is a flight simulation studio. It has a seated chassis in it with a control yoke, pedal setup, keyboards, as well as a 60-inch monitor bolted to the wall, so you can really get an immersive flight simulation experience. The last 2 rooms are 2 virtual reality rooms. They're big open spaces where you can check out an HTC Vive controller and headset, and essentially you plug them in and you can experiment with virtual reality and what it has to offer. It just grew and grew and grew, and it's what it is today is a great space for students to come in and get access to technology and equipment that, well, they might normally not be able to.